This is the Oraimo FreePods Pro, and today we are here to check it out. If you are new here, welcome.
Please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.
The first thing you are going to look at is the packaging. If you have used Oraimo products before, you will know that they don't joke with their packaging. Their packages always has that premium feel. I think this is a great idea because that's what the buyer sees before the actual product. Same applies to this FreePods Pro. It comes in their brand colors, that's black and green, with the Oraimo Smart Accessories tag at the top. For Oraimo, their packaging is always on point. Now let's unbox this product and see what it has to offer. First thing you see when you open the box is the Oraimo FreePods, and you have the accessories in the compartment below it. Let's check out the accessories that comes with the FreePods Pro. We have the manual. We have a silicone case for the pod. This is the first time Oraimo has done this. We have the extra ear tips with the USB Type-C port for charging. And last but not the least, the pod itself. This is everything that comes in the box. Now let's talk about the design and performance of the pod. Now with the design, Oraimo did a very great job. The first look at this pod is very impressive. It has a sleek metallic finish, but I don't really think it's a metal. I think it's somehow a rubber coated in a metallic finish. The gold plated Oraimo tag on it with a silicone cover that goes really well with the pod. It makes it have a more premium feel. You also have the charging port at the bottom. Now let's come to the performance and sound quality of this pod. Battery capacity is 70 mAh for the earbuds and 510 mAh for the case. When fully charged, it can go up to 13 hours and the case provides additional 30 hours with ANC off, and when with ANC on, it goes up to 9 hours with additional 23 hours from the case. The FreePods Pro comes with Bluetooth version 5.2 with a range of 10 meters. Oraimo improved the connectivity for Android users. If you have used Apple AirPods before, the pop-up that comes when connecting to the phone, Oraimo did the same thing for Android users with the help of Google Fast Pairing. I hope to see this feature migrate to the iOS in the nearest future. The earbuds themselves looks pretty cool. The light indicator at the top to see the battery status. This Oraimo FreePods Pro comes with a lot of touch control, so let's go through them. For the basic one tap on either port to pause and play, 2 taps to go to the next song, 3 taps to go to the previous song. Hold and wait for 3 beeps for your phone assistant. Hold and wait for 4 beeps to switch between normal mode and game mode. For the left ear, hold for 2 beeps for noise cancellation. Hold the left ear for 4 beeps to change the EQ from heavy bass to normal. The earbud gives a voice prompt when a mode is changed. And as for the sound, it sounds very good, especially in heavy bass mode. I prefer that one because I like a lot of bass in my music. And the active noise cancellation works very well, so even if you are not listening to music, you can just use it to have a quiet time. It has become my go-to AirPods to use every day. If this was helpful to you in any way, please consider liking the video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive more content like this.